customers only. Let me guess, car's next door at the mechanics?
Mm-hmm.
Figures. So are you new to this neighborhood, or are you just here on vacation?
If you consider taking your precious week off of work to fly all the way across the country to find the love of your life in bed with another woman, a vacation.
Can I give you a little piece of advice?
Sure, why not?
Screw the guy.
Bella?
Relax.
I can't help it. You're sitting down.
I am helping this girl. She's got serious problems here.
Well, so do we.
All right. I'm up. My sweet little potato pancake.
Yes.
Now, darling, why don't you just go back to whatever this is that you're doing, and don't you bother me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Believe it or not, he's one of the good ones.
Oh, dear.
No, I mean, he's the kind of guy that is always going to be there for me, no matter what the hell I say, no matter what I do. Hold on a second. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'll let her know. Thanks. Okay, Miss Abigail, that was Mike from next door. They're not going to be able to fix your car.
Gosh.
I know, but you know what? They're going to send a shuttle from LAX to pick you up. So I think you should have another beer while you wait.
Okay. Very nice to meet you. Well, guys, this is it. I'm going to go.
Oh, good luck, honey. Thank you. Remember, we love you, sugar. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Come here, you. The big hunk of man candy.
Fasten your seatbelt. I do realize you don't have one, but try to fasten yourself and best situate for the adventure to come.
Oh, gosh, it's been enough of an adventure today. Can we just get to the airport?
I sense some aggravation and/or frustration in your response.
You have no idea what kind of day this has been.
And precisely what makes you so certain that I have no idea?
Look, it's a long story. Even I'm sick of hearing it.
Since you are not feeling too good, I can certainly stop at a pharmacy on the way.
Never mind.
My next pickup is not for another hour or two.
Forget it. Forget it. You just wouldn't understand. Don't worry about it.
What do you mean I wouldn't understand? What's in you is in me. It is in everyone else as well. You must have faith because you are here. The outcome will be the most excellent for you and for others. But it is essential that you keep this faith. You can't run away from the truth. And the truth is what it is. You know how the Americans say? You know what I mean?
No.
You must have faith because at times that is the only thing that you need. That is the best thing you are going to do. Any action will be useless. Of course, doing nothing is an action too, but it is much more than that.
Well, sometimes I have faith.
No, you must have faith all the time. Not when it's convenient for you, when you want something. Don't let the circumstances, whatever they may be, that you are so adverse to describing and disclosing, make you so sullen and depressed. Sometimes we test the water and it is too hot, we say. As the hippies first advised us, just be cool. You will understand soon enough.
Hey, what's your name?
It is Jackie, as in the famous Jackie Robinson.
Nice to meet you, Jackie.
Nice to meet you too. See, you are smiling now. Before you were not even looking at me.
Well, I appreciate your kindness.
Have yourself a good journey. After all, that is the most important part.
Bye, Jackie. Thanks.
Days. Yeah, I love that book.
Oh, did you read it?
Yeah. Have you gotten to the part yet where he tells her that he's going to see her one last time?
Yeah, that part was really good. Yeah, I like that part.
It's me.
Yeah, I really like it too.
I'm Danny.
Abigail. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Airports.
Attention now.
Oh gosh, I had the worst day today.
13 departing to Chicago's O'Hare Airport. All boarding passes with the letter A will be boarding first.
Yeah, I'm on that flight. Yeah, I'm on that flight too.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're not gonna believe this.
Okay.
Well, then I think my